Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do this, what we can do is you can head over in here to our settings. Now, once we're in the settings, we should be able to see the shipping and delivery. And on the shipping and delivery, you should be able to see in here the shipping options. You can create a profile for this one as well. So for example, let's click on this create new profile. Then from in here, you can name your profile. So for me, I'll put in here clothes. And in here, you can add in products that qualify for this shipping option. So for me, I'll just add in here some products that I think will look good on this specific thing. So just click on done once you're added everything. And in here, you can also choose the shipping origins. So the shop location is in Philippines, and you can also use this fulfillment services as well as this drop shipping in here if you already integrated your drop shipping option. You can also create a zone right here that can add rate. So click on create zone. And for example, let's add in here Australia. So click on done. And as you can see, it's been added. So let's click on add rate right here in order to add the rate. So you can use a flat rate or use a courier app to calculate rates right here. You can actually install it on your actual Shopify app store. So let me just use a flat rate. So for me, the custom rate name is closed as well. And the price will be 1,000. And then in here, you can see the checkout premium. Click on done. As you can see, it will be added right. So you can also start shipping to more places by adding this to market, but it's an option that is for you to decide. So click on save right here. And as you can see, it will be saved on our shipping and delivery. You can also have unexpected delivery dates by heading over and put in here the shop promise, or you can also put in manual delivery date. So you can set it up however you want. So you can also scroll down and you can see this order routing. Under this order routing, you can minimize split fulfillment, given destination market and everything right here. You can also add the rule from there. So let's head back and let's just scroll down again. You can also add and offer local delivery, local pickup, delivery confirmation, save package, enable third-party configuration, and all of these things right here. So once you're done with everything, you can now see that you can now ship the area that you have specified. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so you can leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.